In this video, we will talk about the benefits of intermittent fasting for weight loss. Intermittent fasting, IF, is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. It has gained popularity as an effective and flexible method for weight loss. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, allowing individuals to adopt a schedule that suits their lifestyle. This guide explores the various benefits of intermittent fasting for weight loss, highlighting its simplicity and potential to improve overall health. 1. Promotes calorie restriction without constant monitoring. One of the key reasons intermittent fasting can aid in weight loss is that it naturally reduces the number of calories you consume. When you limit the hours during which you eat, it often leads to eating fewer calories overall. This method can be easier for many people because it eliminates the need to count every calorie or track each meal meticulously. For example, the 16:8 method is a popular approach to intermittent fasting. In this method, you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. This means you might skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. By doing this, you simplify your meal planning and can focus on what to eat during those hours instead of worrying about portions or calorie counting. Intermittent fasting can also help you become more mindful of your eating habits. Since you're eating in a limited time frame, you may choose healthier options and be more aware of what you consume. This awareness can lead to better food choices, which contributes to weight loss. Additionally, this approach can fit easily into a busy lifestyle. With fewer meals to plan and prepare, you can save time in the kitchen and make your daily routine simpler. Overall, intermittent fasting offers a straightforward way to create a caloric deficit, making it a practical option for those looking to lose weight. 2. Encourages fat burning. During fasting periods, the body uses stored energy from fat reserves to function. When you're in a fed state, your body primarily uses glucose from food as its energy source. However, when glucose levels drop during fasting, your body switches to burning fat for fuel. This process, called lipolysis, is one of the key mechanisms behind weight loss through intermittent fasting. Additionally, fasting may enhance your body's ability to burn fat more efficiently over time. 3. Boosts metabolism. Intermittent fasting may have a positive impact on your metabolism. Short-term fasting has been shown to increase levels of norepinephrine, a hormone that boosts metabolic rate and helps your body break down fat more effectively. By enhancing metabolic processes, intermittent fasting supports calorie burning and weight loss without compromising muscle mass when done correctly. 4. Simplifies meal planning. For those overwhelmed by complicated diet plans, intermittent fasting offers simplicity. You don't have to worry about preparing multiple small meals throughout the day. Instead, you focus on eating within your designated window, reducing the time and effort spent on meal preparation. This straightforward approach is particularly appealing to people with busy schedules who still want to prioritize their health and weight loss goals. 5. Helps control hunger hormones. Intermittent fasting can help regulate hormones that influence hunger and appetite. Ghrelin, often called the hunger hormone, is responsible for signaling hunger to your brain. Over time, fasting may lower ghrelin levels, reducing feelings of hunger during fasting periods. Additionally, fasting improves the sensitivity of leptin, a hormone that signals fullness, helping you feel satisfied with smaller portions during your eating windows. 6. Reduces insulin levels. Fasting periods allow your insulin levels to drop, which facilitates fat burning. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body store glucose as energy, but consistently high levels can make it difficult to lose weight. By giving your body a break from frequent insulin spikes, intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity and helps your body access stored fat more readily. Lower insulin levels also reduce the risk of developing insulin resistance, a condition linked to weight gain and type 2 diabetes. 7. Preserves muscle mass. Many weight loss methods can lead to muscle loss, especially if they involve severe calorie restriction. Intermittent fasting, however, can help preserve lean muscle mass while promoting fat loss. This is because fasting triggers the production of human growth hormone, HGH, which supports muscle maintenance and recovery. Combining intermittent fasting with regular strength training further enhances muscle retention, ensuring that most of the weight loss comes from fat. 8. Encourages mindful eating. Intermittent fasting naturally encourages mindful eating by limiting the time available for meals. With fewer opportunities to eat, you're more likely to focus on consuming nutrient-dense, satisfying foods that fuel your body. This approach can reduce mindless snacking and emotional eating, both of which often contribute to weight gain. By fostering a healthier relationship with food, intermittent fasting supports sustainable weight loss. 9. Supports long-term weight management. Intermittent fasting isn't just effective for short-term weight loss, it also helps with long-term weight management. Unlike restrictive diets that are difficult to maintain, intermittent fasting is a flexible and sustainable approach. By allowing you to adapt your fasting schedule to your lifestyle, it's easier to stick with this eating pattern over time, reducing the likelihood of regaining lost weight. 10. Improves overall health. Beyond weight loss, intermittent fasting offers a range of health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. Fasting has been linked to reduced inflammation, improved heart health, and enhanced brain function. These improvements not only support weight loss, but also contribute to a healthier and more active lifestyle. By improving your health holistically, intermittent fasting creates a positive feedback loop that reinforces healthy habits and weight management. Tips for getting started with intermittent fasting. Choose a method that suits you. Popular methods include the 16x8 approach, 5-2 fasting, and alternate day fasting. Experiment to find what works best for your lifestyle. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water during fasting periods to stay hydrated and curb hunger. Start gradually. If you're new to fasting, ease into it by shortening your eating window gradually instead of diving into extended fasts. Focus on nutrition. When you do eat, prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods to fuel your body and support weight loss. Listen to your body, pay attention to how you feel, and adjust your fasting schedule as needed to avoid overexertion or discomfort. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for weight loss that offers simplicity, flexibility, and a host of additional health benefits. Reducing calorie intake, promoting fat burning, and improving metabolic health, it helps individuals achieve and maintain their weight loss goals. Whether you're looking for a practical approach to dieting or aiming to improve your overall health, intermittent fasting is worth considering. With patience, consistency, and mindful choices, you can harness the benefits of this eating pattern to achieve lasting results. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.